Khona manjalo isikodi South Africa umholi qabulwa makete ngobupha no stop and go asiphuthume siyophongolo uzokhumbula ukuthi udaba la sophongolo asikapholi londa ukuthi nje ayisabhiphi khumbuleke inkomo kaNgoqo idla phezukwewa daba lama truck esikhuluma ngalo inkulumo ziyashayisana inkulumo ziyaphambana ake sizwe inkulumo ezungezayo einkundleni zokuxhumana ngelunga lesigodi eliphuthume khona lapha ophongolo awusithathe ngesilungu sasophongolo ithini inkulumo
Goeienaand, good afternoon, noon, sanbonan. Hello to all the transporters. On this group, your trucks are allowed to use the N2 on Monday. I did speak to the leaders of the community. I will give feedback tomorrow about the developments on the N2 because there are some problems that the community wants to sort out, but it is not a serious matter. But I will give feedback tomorrow. Your trucks are allowed to drive on the N2 tomorrow. If there is any questions or problems between Itela Juba Hospital and Phongolo, please contact me directly. Kind regards, Charles van der Merwe, Africa Tires.
Njalo ke inkulumo ivela ku Charles van der Merwe ngiyazi ukuthi bebesha ngesingisi cha ibithi itshe lejuba kubhale umuntu itshe juba itshe lejuba ake sizwe ilunga lomphakathi ke ilunga lesigodi sasophongolo lithini lona
Ngonya yakithi umuntu akakubingelele bhuti ngixolisa nje uqhamuka sengikhulukudela kunananze umbhalo ku Facebook obhalwe umnomzana uCharles van der Merwe awuthumelela ngesexwayiso ukuthi ke ama truck ayahamba on Monday ngicela ukusho mhlonishwa ukuthi it's a statement esimisleadayo abenga lokuthi bekwenze ngoba lokho akukhuluma lokho into engekho wenzela nje ukususa udweshu socela ukuthi makwenzeka mhlawumbe aba communicator nabo ubazisa ukuthi cha ngikhona ophongolo lento leyo lomlungu lo ayenzayo ungene ngendlovu yangena ufuna ukumisleda umphakathi yonke le abamanikazi bama truck ngenhloso ukuthi impahla yabo idamageke so ngizocela nje ukuthi abengakadibanwa bengisanda kukhuluma nomeya manje ngibuza ukuthi kuhamba kanjani so umeya bengakabuyi back kimi kusazodijana nomphakathi ukhulunye bese kuyavunyelwana bese ke kuyavunyelwana ngokuthi ama truck angaqhubeka ahambe lo mlungu lo bhale lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana ukhulume iphutha elikhulu siyacela nje ukuthi la ungafinyelela khona usicorrect le statement sakhe ngenzeka usibonile mhlonishwa ukhulume iphutha elikhulu siyabonga
Asigcinanga lapho siqhubekile sasofika eMtuba ke manje namba abamaloli baseMtuba inkulumo bayibeka kanje
Mtuba truck owners, to whom it may concern. As truck owners who are using N2 via Phongolo, we sympathize with the families of school children that lost their lives on the Phongolo N2 and the driver of the vehicle who was driving the car that was involved in that horrific accident. However, what is happening now on that road is not the way things should be done. There are some elements of criminality involved now where the trucks have to pay 1,000 Rand to pass that town. We are deeply affected by what is happening there. We have decided to mobilize on our side and also we are going to block the N2 road at Mtuba, Hluhluwe and Mkhuze so that petrol tankers and food transporting trucks to Phongolo don't reach that town. We are giving those who are blocking N2 till Wednesday to stop what they are doing. Regards, concerned transporters.
Angeke ngikwazi ukuyitolika ngoba beyibhale ngesilungu bayazi ukuthi bayibhalele ngesilungu khumbula phela ukuthi ukufunda kwami kuncikincike ngoba ngafunda ngilele ngesisu sengaze ngithi ngiyatolika bese ngisho ngekho injengoba sibakhulumele bona bayikhulumela kodwa ke angehle ngobona njengesicacaba ngethemba lokuthi ke uyohlaziya uthola okuyikhona uzodla amaningi futhi esakini